there. I thought today we could take a walk around the house so you could see just how far my garden has come. You know, my fruits and veggies, but also my flowers, because they're growing like crazy. Let's go take a look. It's August, so the flowers have been in there since Mother's Day and or the week after. So like we planted stuff on Mother's Day, my husband and I, and then my sister-in-law and I went and I got some more, like the hanging flowers and all that. So I thought we'd go take a look. Now listen, I didn't deadhead, so don't come at me, all right? Okay, let's take a look. Beautiful summer day. We're waiting for rain. People are mowing grass and such. We're coming out of our, what's going to be a completed mudroom soon. And the first thing we have here is, this is an olive tree, which I think I'm going to plant in the ground, but I just don't know where yet, so I'm leaving it in a pot. And then of course we have our tomatoes. 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 Growing, growing, growing. I haven't watered, I'm going to water right now. Down here is the lavender plant that we took out of the front. We put it into all different pots. And if it grows, then we'll probably plant it somewhere else next summer. This is the other part of the garden. Don't know if anything's going to happen here. These are the berries. They're not supposed to happen until the fall anyway, but. And then these are the new little things that I added to put water in so that they're always getting water. And we're going to start off over here. Next year we're going to put more rock here. And now how much all the different flowers that were in here also came out. And then of course we have our strawberries. One little plant here. These were only supposed to get like maybe 3 to 4 feet tall. Look at how tall these things got. Isn't that crazy? And then we have this one, which bloomed in the spring, but hasn't bloomed since. So I don't know if it's going to do anything anymore, but you could see it has the little fuzzies on it. So I'm thinking maybe something's going to happen. These guys, oh, we do have some sunflowers that are hiding back there. But we also have some that are going to be here. I need to trim all these and cut off all the blooms that are already dead. There's another small one, like the one that's over there. And then we have these that are growing. And look at how tall these got. Like there's one that's way, 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 way up there. Can you stand it? Look at how, that's gotta be like 6 feet. So that's that one, and there's some sunflowers coming out of that one. My hanging plants that are up there. They did well at first, and then they died on me, and then I fixed them again and I fed them, and now I think they're looking pretty good. So that's all my hanging plants. Then we have this poor thing that I think I'm gonna take out because it's not doing well here anyway. And I think it just kind of lays, it doesn't grow up. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. We can come up the stairs. See, as soon as you come up the stairs, you could see all those flowers just sticking out over the top of the rail. So we have this one, and we have that one. And we have that one. And the fern, which has turned into a monster. It's literally taking over the whole table. Look at it. This thing was just a small fern. I'll have to throw a picture up here of what it looked like before. The whole table's missing now that it's sitting on. It's pretty crazy. I also got these. Oh wait, here's the top of that plant that's growing from way down here all the way up here. See all the pretty flowers? Yeah, so that's everything from the porch view. I have these bulbs, like they're water balls, that I also fill up and just leave in here so that they're always getting water. What do you think of that? Everything grew so nice. I love it. I have to water them now and do some pruning.